Here's how we make yummy masala dosa. Take 2 boiled potatoes. Fine chop 1 big onion and 3 green chilies. Take a pan and sizzle in 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seed and 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Let them fry. Now add in the chopped onion and green chilies. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Now saute them. Smash the potatoes and add it to the mixture in the pan. Now add a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix them all well. Sprinkle a handful of finely chopped coriander. Now put the stove off. Place the dosa tawa on the stove. Take a ladle full of dosa batter and spread it over the pan. Add oil to it. Now fill in the dosa with the prepared potato stuffing. And fold the dosa. Now your yummy masala dosa is ready to serve with coconut and peanut chutney. Enjoy the masala dosa.